Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm going to Disneyland Paris. Okay, so sorry, I'm just so excited. Why am I doing this video? Because the normal year pass I used to get has changed. So now it's not that I can leave my bag in the, what was it called? Concierge or whatever the word is, baggage department at the side. You have to pay extra for that now on the pass I want to get. So this is what I'm going to take. Hopefully it's all going to fit in that bag. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to take, and if you can give me some tips or tricks, let me know in the comments below. And I'm just ecstatic. Who else has been watching that See You in Main Street and the other one, the Martin and Helena, what are they called? They are a really nice couple. But the See You in Main Street, I've been binge watching it. Anyway, here goes for my little video. Whew, excited though, it's just so excited. Sorry, just calm down now, calm down. So, I'm going for 5 days to Disneyland Paris, and this is what I'm going to take with me. I'm not going to be staying on site. I'm going to be staying in a different hotel, and a couple little things I want to take to save a bit of money because, I've booked a lot of holidays this year, and I need to calm down with the money spending. So, the things I'm going to take are, and hopefully this will just be in that rucksack. So I'm going to wear, this is going to be my jacket. It's from Solomon. It's a reversible jacket. That's going to be to wear. I've got a pair of, this is for the plane. I'm flying there. Pair of socks. A pair of very, very light memory foam Skechers. And a black t-shirt. It's quite a long t-shirt. And a Crag Hoppers fleece. Okay, I'll probably be wearing a pair of jeans. Well, obviously wearing jeans, blah, blah, blah. What else am I going to do? These are really good. This is a good idea. I've found personally. They are arms, right? So they're called Pro Touch. And they are fleece-lined arms. You just put your arm in and your thumb and your finger come out of here. And they keep you warm if it goes chilly. So my kitchen area is going to be this collapsible cup from Sea to Summit, which collapses right down. You can also boil water in here. Also a collapsible Tupperware thing. It's not real Tupperware, it's something else, but whatever. A mini immersion heater, so I can make drinks. A spork, and a pot noodle with an extra one to heat up the water. I'm going to heat up water in that. Okay. The next thing I've got, hang on, I've got to come over. Oh, my knees, I tell you, honestly. Okay, so here I've got a bock and roll. Okay, hang on. So a bock and roll is basically a plastic sandwich bag, but you can use it for a picnic or a little tablecloth as well. So I'm going to take that. And that is a reusable sandwich bag. So just wash it out and use it the next day. It's waterproof. Okay. So that's that. Then clothes. So I'm going to be taking, in this one little packing cube, which is not very big at all, I am taking a long sleeve black shirt, a blouse, which is easily washable, it's pink, a pair of jeggings, and a pair of jeans, very, very thin ones from Primark. So that's the 2 bottoms and 2 tops. I'm going to wash out whatever I've got. I'm only staying for 5 days, so that should be fine. And I'll probably buy a t-shirt or 2 as well. In here is underwear and socks. So what I've got is one bra in like a nude colour, the stretchy ones, which I really, really like. And then I've got one in black. 3 pairs of knickers. There you go. And I've got a pair of ankle socks. Another bra, which is just very thin cotton one. And a pair of thicker socks in case it's cold. and I'll have one pair of socks on. So it's, what was that saying? You wash it, wear it, prepare it. I can't remember what it is. But anyway, one for on, one for wash, and one's spare. Okay, so wear, wash, spare, or whatever. So that's that. So that's the clothes, all the clothes I'm going to be wearing. In here are, just in case the worst happens, they're ladies' things, washable, reusable ladies' items, and a cup and whatever, you know. Here I've got a really large carry-all. It's from Nike. I've had it donkey's years, but it goes to like hand luggage, just in case. I'm going to be taking my Tilly hat, if I can't find a different one, but there's my Tilly hat. I've got a lot of them and I love them because you can store money in the top. This is going to be my Disney bound dress, which is Stitch. I might be taking that if the weather gets really hot. And then I've got an extra pair of socks, which are all bobbly, which are going to go in the bin when I finish with them. I got them free on a flight somewhere. A pair of very, very cheap slippers, which are only going to be used in the hotel, and I'll bin them. I've got my Samsung fast charger, my phone cables, another cable, Bose in-ear earphones, which I really like. I love anything from Bose. Then I've got a mega old e-reader. It is so old it's gone sticky. So I don't think anyone's going to rob that. But I can just sit in the queue or stand in the line and watch a few films. I've got, I think, a couple of 100 books on here. And I've also got like, I don't know, I think about 12 films. So like standard Disney films. I'll sit and watch that. I don't know which ears to take with me. I like the glittery ones I've just got. These ones are lighter. And these are cute too. These got little roses on. Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to call them 1, 2, and 3. These ones are Disney ones, like sparkly, but they're a bit heavier. These ones are light and they're all furry. And these ones have got little roses on and they're a bit sparkly. So 1, 2, or 3, let me know in the comments below if you want to comment. Now, so toiletries. So let's have a little look what I've got. I've got Sensodyne toothpaste, a little one. I've got this Anayaki shower gel. A little one of hairspray. I probably don't need that, to tell you the truth, but we'll have to see. I've got a little deodorant. Sun lotion, you definitely need. I have got a tea bag. I'll probably add some more tea bags to that. I've got a little bit of Godiva Lush Godiva shampoo and a flannel, which is from the Body Shop, which takes all your makeup off. Seriously, you just need to wet it without any soap or anything. Love it. Been using them for years. I've got Jungle hair conditioner from the Body Shop, but I probably will only take a part of this. I've got a pen and a new toothbrush. There you go. And a couple of cotton buds and a toothpick. And then I've got this thing here just for in the night, in case I need to go to the loo. It's a torch, or it lights up like this, and the rest of it is a whistle, which it was on, you know, Mountain Warehouse, and I thought that was quite a cool thing to get. And then I've got baby wet wipes for to go to the loo. And then I've got some ibuprofen in case your tooth falls out or something. Know with me it will. And I've got Nivea. Now Nivea is really cool. I forgot to post up, but I've got to put a razor in here. Anyway, Nivea is really cool because you can use it as hair conditioner. You can shave your legs with it. You can use it as hand cream, and it's just a brilliant thing to get. I've got some non-latex rubber gloves because I'm going to be washing clothes and I don't want my hands to get sore. I've got some plasters because they're a good idea when you're walking around so much. There's a couple of Compeed foot plasters in here too. I've got a sachet of Ariel washing powder. I've got a couple of hair masks, which I'm going to use as conditioner as well, and a face mask. And then I've got things for your ears. So what are they called? Earplugs. My goodness me. Earplugs. And then I've got these things called ear planes. So when you go on a plane and it hurts your ears, you put them in your ears and you have absolutely no pressure pain at all anymore. Really recommend it. This time I remembered my brush. It's a little brush. I might try and take a lighter one than this one, but it's my brush. Be taking that. And a shopping bag, because Disney don't do shopping bags anymore. So you need to take your own bag like you normally would do anyway. You wouldn't go around and buy a carrier bag these days. And I got my lanyard from Disneyland Paris. And I've only got one pin. The Vienna one. I've only got one. My sister bought me that. Thanks, our Jill. Actually, their YouTube video is really cool too. It's called Game Mode. So just Google Game Mode, not Google, go on YouTube, go Game Mode. And if you put on No Man's Sky, you'll find Steve. Really cool video. Nice, really nice channel. Okay, so, and this is my hair straighteners, mini hair straighteners, because the French people kind of like to look nice. And I always look like skew whiff, but anyway. The next thing I'm going to take with me is my little computer, because I've got all the Outlander videos on here and they've got Wi-Fi in the hotel, so I will be playing with this maybe at night. A hair bobble, because your hair's going to go everywhere. And the last but not least is my makeup bag, A for Akubra Brompton girl. And in it I have got Bobbi Brown makeup. I have got Benny Tint, I've got Velvet Teddy lipstick, face cream, eye cream, mascara, and a couple of little things. And that's basically it. So hopefully it'll all go in that one bag, and Bob's your uncle. If I've forgotten anything, let me know, okay? Because I've got like a bit of time before I go. If you like this video, thank you for watching. It's been a long one. Say hi to Stitch. Hi, Stitch. And if you're going to Disneyland, have a lot of fun. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And any comments, please let me know in the comments below. Love you all. Okay, I'm dead excited. All right, ta-ra, ta-ra.